Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the Post Market Show. So today, what happened is gap down opening, and then we saw a good recovery in Nifty, and 19,500 level was not breached. And I've been saying multiple times, a close below 19,500 will signify bearishness in the upcoming days, but thankfully that did not happen. Markets moved up gradually from there, but then again in the second half there was some sort of a selling, but it was not that severe, so that is good to see. So let's look into the charts and see what has happened today. So let's open up the Nifty chart. Yes. Okay, this is the Nifty 15-minute chart. It's Nifty down by 0.24% overall on a close to close basis, but you can see markets opened with a big gap down. Markets made a low of around 19,512, and then from there, after 9:30, the markets moved gradually up. 11 o'clock, there was a huge spike candle, and markets then took resistance at 19,656 for multiple times. And at one point around 2 o'clock, markets had to move up, but that failed, and markets fell down from there, closing at around 19,624. That's the closing price. And coming to Bank Nifty, again a very choppy day, opening with a gap down, this time below 44,000, below 43,700, which was a very crucial support. And we talked about that below 43,700, the only support is 43,470, and markets thankfully did not go around that level. Markets made a low in the first candle itself at 43,558, and from there it moved back up, and then there was again huge spike at 11 o'clock candle. The Bank Nifty, if you talk about percentage terms, almost up 237 points in a single candle, and then it could not go up further, took resistance over there, came down again, moved back up towards 44,000 and above, and from there came crashing back down at 43,750 levels. So very choppy day for Bank Nifty. And if you are intraday traders, and if you are selling options, the stop loss could have been triggered on both sides. That kind of a day it was. So that is there. Coming to mid caps and small caps, again in a flat to decent day, I would say mid caps up 0.09%, sorry, down 0.09%, nothing much, and small caps are up 0.15%. So it is not having much of a thing. And even sector wise also, we are seeing a mixed situation. Most of the sectors are falling. Only 3-4 sectors have moved up today, but again very significant, small. So it's only auto index which is up 0.5% thanks to the Bajaj auto results, which came extremely well. The stock is up significantly. Apart from that, we see FMCG up by 0.14% thanks to good results from Nestle, and PSU banks up 0.03%, media up by 0.14%, but rest all sectors have moved down, with Nifty metals falling the most by 0.88%, followed by energy, which is down 0.58%. If you talk about index movers, we see Bajaj Auto, like I told you, on backs of good results, it is up 6.72% today, but since it's a not a heavyweight, just contributing close to 9 points to Nifty's up move. Even Nestle, very good results, up by 3.74%. LTIM, Ultratech Cement, IndusInd Bank, Hero MotoCorp, these are the stocks which moved up today. And the top draggers are, as usual, Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, TCS. So all the heavyweights, they are the ones who dragged the Nifty down. FIIs continue to sell, and as usual, 1,093 crores selling off from FIIs, but DIIs have bought, but this time they could not buy as much as the FIIs have sold. DIIs coming in and buying for 736 crores. Overall, FII DII data is a net negative. On economic front, let's see if there's anything important that was announced today. Okay, let's see. No, there's nothing much important. There's the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's speech tonight at yeah, let's see how the US markets have been affected from that. And apart from that, we have the inflation data from Japan coming out tomorrow, and yeah, nothing much important this week. So let's look at into US markets, because as you know, these gap ups, gap down are primarily the reason of US markets moving up or moving down. Yesterday you can see it's a big red candle in US, so obviously we had a gap down opening today. Right now, US markets are kind of stable. S&P 500 0.13 percentage in the red. Dow Jones almost flat, nothing much. Nasdaq down by 0.37 percentage. Coming to global markets, all markets globally has turned red, has closed in the red. UK markets and falling by 1.02 percentage. French markets down by 0.6 percentage. German markets down by 0.3 percentage. Even Asian markets are, all of them are more than 1 percentage down. In fact, I should say more than 2 percentage down, excepting for Chinese markets. So talking about the fall, Hong Kong markets 2.46 percentage down. The Japanese market Nikkei is down 1.9 percentage. South Korean markets down by 1.9 percentage. Chinese markets down by 1.7 percentage. So everything is in deep red in Asian markets. Let's see if, since US markets are stabilizing down, let's see, hope tomorrow we see some maybe stable global markets. That would be good for the situation, current scenario. US VIX is up around 2 percentage. It's close to 20, 19.58 to be exact. India VIX keeps on falling and falling. It's down today also. It's at 10.89. So yeah, that is India VIX. Crude oil prices once again shot up yesterday after the news came out that a hospital was bombarded. So that is the reason why crude oil shot up yesterday. And right now I will say it's still around yesterday's levels itself, but nothing much has happened since the crude oil prices came down from that level. So it's around there. Gold prices have once again shot up 1.3 percentage up today, and yesterday also it was up. Now the resistance is clear at 1977. Let's see how the gold spikes up from here. Metals have not seen much of an action. Currency wise, dollar index has come down. That is good. USD INR has, okay, there's a good fall from here. This was expected. You can see this is the triangle pattern. It's a breakdown from here. So good. And so if this continues, the next target for USD INR is 82.79 or 82.8. That would be the levels. Let's see how this works out. So that is there. Indian rupee against euro has depreciated, but against pound it has slightly appreciated, but nothing much as such. We will not talk about open interest because it was an expiry date today. Let's let people build up positions and then we will see from there. So overall, coming to the what to expect for tomorrow, it's a Friday. Fridays are known for volatility, and since the premium is very less, it's kind of making the markets, if it moves up, it's easily spiking the option prices everywhere. So that is definitely there. Apart from that, good to see Nifty did not break 19,500 levels. So like I said in the beginning, that is going to be signifying a bear trend. That did not happen. Let's hope market takes support around 19,566 or 19,520. Even 19,480 is a good support. Markets have tested that and came up multiple times. So that can also be taken into consideration for intraday movements. Apart from that, upside 19,656, 19,731, 19,818. So yeah, Nifty is still stuck in a range. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, it was in the upper side of the range. Now it's on the lower side of the range. So 19,500 to 20,000 is the current range. So it continues to trade around those levels as well. Bank Nifty, it was scary to see it broke down below 740 levels, but then it moved back up. But again, towards the end, it ended around that level. So Bank Nifty is going to be interesting, and next support is clearly at 470, and if that is broken, 43,000 is the next support. Bank Nifty is clearly bearish, and 43,740 is absolute the base or the lowest level of this range. If that is broken, expect a good further fall down in Bank Nifty. So yeah, 43,700 to 44,700 is the current range if you look at it approximately. But yeah, let's see if Bank Nifty recovers from here and again moves back up. That would be interesting. So that is all from my side. And okay, talking about the levels, let's look at that. 43,740, 471, we talked about the support. Resistance as usual, 44,150, 44,500 and 44,775. These are the levels to watch out in Bank Nifty. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very good night.